How to download Discord voice messages. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Discord application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, go to your messages section over here and you'll be able to see the message that you want to download. So as you can see, the voice message or the audio file that you want to download. So you can just swipe right and you can just reply to this. After that, you can make a long press on the audio file and you'll be able to see no other option to download. So what we're going to do is we're just gonna play the audio file and then we're gonna turn on the screen recorder and record this, and you'll be able to download the file and the voice message from Discord. There is no other direct way. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.